It's Jen from Rustic Rehabs. I'm at the Goodwill in Wauwatosa, Wisconsin today, and it's a beautiful day. So far, it's almost 50 degrees in February, so I will take it. Let's see what we can find for spring, because this is giving me total spring fever. I like to start off with the art because I can find things that sometimes don't need a lot of work and just need to be staged well, and some craft supplies. So this Never Stop Exploring is good just for travelers. This I know my mom had when I was a kid, and I'm going to see if I can try to modernize it. This one is also getting a makeover. This one is adorable as it is. This one's a makeover. This one's a keep as is. See a pattern with my fast shopping here? This little thing got turned into an even cuter little flower holder. I added one of the Prima transfers and some sweet little baby's breath to it. These two just scream spring and happiness to me, so in the cart they go. This I will maybe make over, but the hooks itself are good for the $3. Those are a good deal. This I whitewashed it with a little white wax. And then I staged it with some spindle carrots and some little bunnies. Isn't it cute? This is another cool world map. And this one I popped the back off and we're painting it, and I'm going to decoupage something on it. It's going to be really cool with that frame. This you could use as either a picture, but I think it's a stepping stone. Don't piss off the fairies. It already sold this week. It's going out of state. Next, I scored this little suit of armor guy. He was $7 and he's really cute. This little inspirational sign already sold in shop. These Santa boots will be great for next year. What a cute stocking holder. I almost picked up this cookie jar or pitcher, but I just decided I didn't need it. I did grab this Santa, but at the checkout I saw he had a pretty big chip, so we are going to put him back. This little elephant trinket dish or ring holder is so cute. This stocking holder has a lot of things missing on the base, but I think I can add stuff to it and fix it. This needs its wheels put back on, but it's very cute. The danger of buying things that need to be fixed is that sometimes I won't get to it, or it's too hard, or it doesn't turn out good. But this is a way that I take some stuff that would for sure, I think, get thrown into the garbage. So I try to do my part. This was cool. I think this was an ice holder, but one of the handles was off. And my cart was pretty full by this time. This sweet little snowman will sell fast when it gets to be that time of year. I saw this weeks ago when I was there, and I think if they were still doing tag sales, it would have been gone, but I just had to have it. I think it's going to look really good with a Christmas tree in it. This Santa was beyond my skills in saving him. I wanted to invite you this weekend. The 7th and 8th of March is the Vintage Shop Hop, and Menomonee Falls is going to have 6 shops participating. There's over 300 shops throughout Illinois and Wisconsin. They do this twice a year, and they roll out the red carpet. We're all going to have different deals for you, so make sure that you pencil us in and come in and see what we have to offer. We're having everything from scratch-off coupons for store-wide sales to clearance items and free items with purchase. I really think it's going to be a fun weekend, so I hope to see you all out there. The second I saw this, I knew it would look perfect to hold our McKelpin half sphere. Look at how springy this is. It just makes me happy. We recently got a shipment of greenery in, and it is so springy. If you haven't checked it out, you really need to. This bird cage has got a nest with a bird with a little mixed media inspiration on him. The nest is sold separate, but together they look absolutely so springy and adorable. To buy any of these cutesies, you can shop at my website, rusticrehabs.com, or come in every week. We're open Tuesday through Saturday. I'm inching toward the checkout, but I do need to find some room for this in my cart. This is very cool to me. And I added more greenery and a candle. Check it out. I thought about these two trays a lot. I'm really analyzing them. I know I have a full cart. I know I have a big bill coming up to pay here, but I have too many trays already. But if you're looking to layer and create vignettes, this is a perfect way to do that on a coffee table, on a dining table. They're really cool. Headed toward the checkout. How much more are we going to squeeze in here? I have a lot of cat signs, sassy cat signs at my shop, and so I decided these guys should come home and sit with all of their inspirational, funny signs. This little turtle is a bank and adorable. I think slightly collectible too, so we also shoved him in the cart. And I'm a sucker for animals with glasses. I really think she'll look cute in some little girl's room. I loved this teapot. It's quite adorable, but I left it there. I've got ideas for possibly a class to do with teacups and teapots, but I am not ready to show you that yet. This huge urn with floral rounded out my very full cart. We ended up spending $111 this week. I think we got some great stuff. I hope to see you soon. Take good care. I'll see you also at the hop. Take care.